Hello and welcome, I'm David Strom. Today's video highlights the Windows Mobility Center, a powerful series of controls that Microsoft collected in one place for road warriors. If you do even a fair amount of traveling, you'll want to know what's going on with this corner of Windows 7. We get to the screen by searching on Windows Mobility in the main search box, and as you can see here, a series of small control panel blocks that do various things. What you will see on your screen will differ depending on what hardware you can adjust. Each tiny icon in the upper left of each block is clickable and will lead you to more adjustments without you having to hunt them down in the dark nether reaches of Windows 7 control panels. For example, let's click on the audio block and you'll see that we can select the input device for sound recordings or automatically adjust the volume when we get an incoming telephone call. We can also quickly change the power scheme that we want to use with our laptop. Right now it's on high performance, but when we get on a plane we want to switch that to the power saver mode to extend the life of our batteries. Again, we click on the icon and get into the nitty-gritty of each power scheme if we so desire. We can also quickly see whether or not wireless radio is turned on. Given that many laptops have the buttons for the wireless radios on their front edges, as mine does, often we knock into them and turn off the radios without realizing it. One of the most annoying aspects of earlier versions of Windows was in setting up your laptop when you want to use it to project its display to a room. As I do a lot of public speaking, I was often fooling around with the various controls to make sure that my presentations were set up correctly. Now you can do it all from Mobility Center and with two different control blocks. The first is used for adding an external display. You click on that button and it takes you to the screen resolution controls. The second control block is labeled appropriately enough presentation, and when you turn it on and click on the icon, you see this screen here where you can turn off annoying screensavers, reset your computer's volume, change your background image from a personal to a more professional one. While you're presenting, your laptop doesn't go to sleep, and all of those system notification messages are also suppressed. Very handy. There are other controls for synchronization services when you can access network files when you aren't connected to that particular network. That's our quick tour of Windows 7 Mobility Center. Check out our site for other tips and video screencasts about Windows 7 issues and features for the enterprise.